create a square inside a circle, constructing an inscribed square. You should have patty paper, pencil, highlighter, maybe another highlight color for, extra opportunity to use, and then a straight edge like a protractor. This is directly related to the learning goal. If you go back to the beginning of the lesson and check, learning goal, construct a square inscribed in a circle using patty paper and using a compass and straight edge. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's make sure that we are remembering what it is to be mathematics students, mathematics, mathematicians. We're going to model with mathematics, and we're going to use appropriate tools, hint, hint, strategically. In a previous activity, you constructed a square given a side length. Now let's consider how to inscribe a square inside a circle. One way to create a square is to use transformations. Voila. In order to do that, we're going to trace, and I'm going to say be selective. We don't need to trace the whole thing. We should trace point A, label, trace point B, label, and trace point C, label. And then the trick, remember, the trick with the patty paper is to flip it over and then trace the points just to load up some graphite on the other side. I brought in a piece of paper to use as a backstop. And then I'm going to literally just do a rotation. Keep the center B in the same spot. We're going to rotate C to A, which means that A is going to rotate over here to a point we'll name in a minute. That's a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. Then we're going to do another 90-degree counterclockwise rotation centered around B. When you do that, that point moves to over here. So actually, I'm going to mark it. Why not? Patty paper would be useful. Okay, there it is. I've actually got 4 points on the patty paper that are my square, but I've also left graphite imprint on the paper. So, whoa, I didn't think of this right now. This is in the moment. I could have done this. I could have taken the radius and I could have extended it to make a diameter, and it actually hits that spot on the other side. Extend this radius to make a diameter. So carefully line it up. There it hits on the other side. Where my vertices on the base of the isosceles triangles are crossing, connect them. Connect. We've actually done this one in class this year. If you're with me this year, if not in the future, like, I don't know, did I do it with you this time? Am I even using this video later in the future? Who knows? There it is. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles wrapping around the center, and that ends up creating a side length that is the same length across all 4 sides. Okay, let's keep going. Circle B contains a right triangle, ABC. Move this up here out of the way. Triangle ABC, did that go away? I want that to go away. Okay. Triangle ABC with points A and C on the circle, there they are, and point B at the center. So describe each element using a term associated with the circle. So first of all, they're on like an arc, and they're creating, well, not an inscribed, but a central, one of these words up here is a central angle. It's probably actually underneath the poster. There it is. They are creating a central angle. So angle B is a central angle. And then BC, so that's here, and BA, that's here. Those are radii. I mean, a radius, but 2 of them. And then last of all, AC. AC goes across from this edge of the circle to this edge of the circle on a straight line segment. That makes AC a chord. Now use patty paper to rotate the right triangle to create square ACDE. Uh-oh, this must be D down here and E over there. How do you know all 4 vertices lie on the circle? Well, because of the way the rotation preserves distance. Rotations preserve distance. So C goes to D on a 90-degree clock. Oh, you can't even see it. There it is. On a 90-degree clockwise rotation. And BC is going to be the same distance as BD, also the same distance as BE. So therefore, all of the points, A, C, D, and E, they all line up on the edge of the circle. There's more to this activity. It's on the next page, which means it's in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, learning a little bit along the way, get better at mathematics on a daily basis, a little bit at a time, and click on the next video to see how we continue this activity. Thanks. Bye.